I'm going to be showing you how to set up a Discord server. Discord is a popular social media and communication platform that is used by gamers, streamers, and other online communities. Setting up a Discord server is easy to do, and I'll walk you through the steps in this video. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. The first step is to create a Discord account. So let's assume you have created an account. If you have not created an account, just download the app from the Discord website or the App Store and follow the instructions to create an account. Open the Discord app. Once you have created a Discord account, click on the plus button in the left sidebar. If you do not see the plus button, like I see it here, tap on the home icon from the bottom. A menu will appear. You can create a server with your own rules, or you can start a Discord server from a template. I suggest starting it from a template. Please remember that even if you start your Discord as a study group or as a gaming server, you can customize it how you want. So choose one of these templates. I will select a gaming template. Select here whatever describes the best server. Select an image for your server. Enter the name of your server. Once you have entered the server name, tap on the Create Server button. You can now copy the link from the server and send it on your social media, or maybe on WhatsApp to your friends. You can also skip this step. Your server has been created. Once your server has been created, you can configure the server settings. To do this, click on the three dots menu button. Then tap Settings. The first thing you should do is set the server permissions. This will determine who can and cannot do certain things on your server. Once you have set the server permissions, you can add members to your server. You can customize your server with themes, bots, and other integrations. Discord servers are a great way to build communities and connect with people who share your interests. Now you know how to set up a Discord server, and that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.